Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing and it is, look fantastic. So it has literally just arrived, the post has just brought it. So I am really excited to open it for you all. Let me get it out of the box. And look, it is beautiful. So it is like blues and, what do you call that, lilac, or it's sort of a purpley shade anyway, but it's a very pretty box. So it looked fantastic. It cost me £15 a month, but you can get it cheaper if you take out a subscription over 3, 6 or 12 months. So I think I'm actually just going to take out a 12-month subscription because I absolutely love it. And I think if you do that, it comes down to £13. So it is really worthwhile doing that. And we've had a sneak peek last month for this, so I am very excited to get it opened. I've just watched my lovely friend Sparkling Princess Lynette vlogs, and she's just done her unboxing, so I've been very naughty. I've literally just finished watching it and I was thinking, where's my box? And it is here. So let's get inside and see what there is. Inside the box each month there's always a little quote, and it says, "Get ready to steal the spotlight. Hashtag LF Beauty Box." I love these boxes. I just think they're gorgeous. And then inside it looks like this. So we've got, I'm trying to work out how I can hold this with my arm. So we've got the little booklet which lets you know all about the products. And then, I'm putting it down, there is also a copy of Elle Beauty magazine. I never read it. I wish there was an option to opt out of this just to save a few trees, because I mean, it's a fashion magazine. There's not really much reading in it, I don't think. It's mostly adverts and things. But if you like it, then it's great. I'm going to just take them to work and stick them in the waiting room. So then you have the box here. It's all in tissue paper. Let's have a little look. Ooh. And we have got, oh, it smells really nice. Look at that box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 things I can see. I thought we were only meant to get 5. There are 6 items in this box. So let's get this little booklet first of all and see what it says. So in here, there's usually little words from the editor. As I said, there's details about the products, and then there's usually a few little articles and features as well. So it says, in the spotlight, we're shining a spotlight on some of our favourite beauty products, trends, and sharing our longest subscribers' beauty tips and tricks. We're welcoming in the month of March by bringing focus to some of our favourite beauty products. Sharing the spotlight this month are some incredible products that will cover you from head to toe, with some incredible skincare products to cosmetics that will take centre stage in your makeup bag. This month is sure to be a showstopper. In this edition of the Beauty Box magazine, we're sharing some key beauty trends for Spring/Summer 2019, chatting to some of our oldest subscribers, and shining a spotlight on one of our favourite ingredients of the moment. And that is from Ellie, the beauty editor. So let's open it up. So it has little contents here, and then, as I say, it tells you about the products. We'll skip past those. In fact, let's get stuck into the products and then we'll look over the rest of the book at the end if that's something that you're interested in. So there was a sneak peek last month, so let's get that out first of all, because then we know what we're getting there. And this is a brand that I've seen lots about, but I've never actually owned any of their products, and it is by The Ordinary, and it is their hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. It's hydration and oils, and it is a beauty serum. So that is it there. 30 mils. So that's really good. Let's see what it says in the booklet. So yeah, I've seen loads of good things about The Ordinary. I think they must be absolutely amazing for skincare, and they seem to be really well liked. There's been a lot of hype. So yes, here we go. So it says The Ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 hydration support formula. Treat your complexion to a moisture boost with this intensely hydrating serum. Packed full of hyaluronic acid to deliver long-lasting moisture, this serum acts as a hydration support formula to leave skin smooth, plump and youthful looking. Add a few drops to the face in the morning and evening before moisturiser. And it just says, the editor says, if you store it in the fridge for a refreshing boost upon application. So yeah, they have got no prices in here, but as usual, I'll do my split screen so you can get some extra product information and also the pricing. But that is a lovely, lovely start to the box. I've got Ruby in here today, but she's been really good. I'll show you her at the end. She's behaving. She'll probably come for a sniff once we get any sort of smelly products out, because she does like to have a little sniff. She's so nosy. Next thing we have is this by Tamora V Chair, and this is another really, really lovely brand, and it is a cleansing firm cleanser. So how much is in here? 30 mils. I've had a few little things by Tamora V Chair just from different beauty boxes and whatnot. So it says, Tamora V Chair cleansing firm. Remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin with this gentle firming cleanser, devoid of harmful sulfates, containing white lupin to energize the skin and detoxifying copper gluconate. Skin will be left fresh and clear. So lightly moisten the face and apply a pearl-sized amount. And then the editor's tip is to massage into damp skin with a circular motion to stimulate circulation and blood flow. So I've got quite a few cleansers and things to use up. It is sealed, so I think I'll leave that sealed for now, and I might start doing a little skincare series as well. I think just trying different cleansers and balms and whatnot. I love getting skincare in boxes. I know everybody's different, but I really, really love getting skincare. Talking of which, the next product we have got is by Madara, and it is their Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal and Mud Repair Mask. So that is it there. I have got another mask by Madara, which actually I'm going to be featuring this week on my Face Mask Friday, so make sure you tune in for that. So for this, what does it say? So it is the Madara Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal and Mud Repair Mask. Purify and decongest the complexion with this detoxifying treatment mask infused with antioxidants, vitamins and essential minerals. Excuse Ruby's sighing. I think she's a bit bored. Harnessing the power of charcoal and black northern mud, this face mask draws out dirt, impurities and pollution buildup, leaving the complexion radiant and revitalised. Apply to clean skin, leave for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. It says if you've got drier skin, we'd suggest following the use of this mask with a hyaluronic rich moisturiser to give your skin a hydration boost. So this would work really, really well in conjunction with the serum that we got from The Ordinary, which obviously it's got lots of hyaluronic acid in there. So let's have a little look. What size is this? So it is 12.5 mils, so it's not very much. So it's a big box, but there's just a little product inside. It feels very light, this, so I dare say, even though it looks like a biggish tube, if there's 12 mils, it's probably only up to about here. It's probably only about half full. But it's enough to give you a good face mask. You might be able to get 1 or 2 out of it. And yeah, so that's another nice product to try. I love getting face masks anyway, and yeah, as you know, as I've mentioned, I've got my Face Mask Friday series. So if you like face masks and are interested in what they were like and things, please do make sure you follow me on that. I'll pop a link up there if you want to see it. So next thing is, this is a brand I absolutely love, and this is the it's a hand cream by Rituals, and it is the Ritual of Sakura. There's 70 mils, and it's a soothing hand balm, cherry blossom and rice milk. I absolutely adore Rituals. I just think they're one of the nicest brands, and they're the foaming gels, shower gels, are just beautiful, and they just, oh, they smell so gorgeous, and they've got a lovely, lovely range. Anyway, what does this say? So the Rituals The Sakura Soothing Hand Balm. Relieve dry and tired hands with this rich and luxurious soothing hand balm. Harnessing the powers of shea butter and organic rice milk, this balm replenishes and rejuvenates hands with a subtle fragrance that relaxes the senses. Carefully massage into hands and cuticles and apply before bed for soft hands in the morning. I love a hand cream. I just love it. So let's pop a little bit up, just a tiny bit. There we go. She can sniff it. Ruby's up sniffing. I'm just going to pop that on there. My hands are so dry from having my pot on. Can't wait to get it off and I might just have some nice hand masks. I might look for a hand mask actually. Oh, that is so delicate. Oh, it's just beautiful. I don't think I've had this fragrance. I thought I had, but I haven't. I don't think I have. It is absolutely gorgeous. I think I might get the Rituals advent calendar this year because honestly they're just beautiful brand. Next thing we have is here we go here. This is different to Sparkling Princess Lynette Blogs balm, and this is by EOS. It is a lip balm. Let's get it opened and see if I can open it. So it's a nice mint colour, which is very pretty. So this is it here. And it's like a little egg and it twists open. Oh, is that mint? It smells pepperminty. Look at that. I love this type of balm. They're great just to keep in your bag. What does it say in the book? So it says, achieve perfectly soft lips with this handy lip balm enriched with moisturising shea butter and conditioning oils to give you softer and nourished lips. Certified 100% organic and natural, this hypoallergenic lip balm is an essential for the cooler months. Apply to the lips for a boost of moisture. Product may vary. It says the handy packaging makes this a handbag essential. We love this also for use on the cuticles for added nourishment. Now, I don't know if you saw my previous unboxing, and I had a really cute little like peach cuticle balm, and I was just like, I think, oh, it's a shame this isn't a lip balm. Anyway, the company got back to me and said, actually, you can use it as a lip balm as well. So lots of these are multi-purpose balms, so that's great. Lips or cuticles, and it is definitely minty. Yeah, so it smells of mint. I'll pop the correct one with the details, as I said, on the split screen, and you can see what it is. And last product, I can't believe this box. It's just, all the beauty boxes this year have been outstanding, but look at this, 6 amazing products, and the final product is no exception. It is a highlighter by Morphe. I'm absolutely amazed. This is brilliant. What a fabulous box. And it is a colour that I can use. So it says it's the Morphe Mini Highlighter in Spark. Achieve luminous skin with this prismatic highlighter. With an innovative formula, this weightless highlighter delivers high shine. In a perfect golden hue, this highlighter is an essential for making the complexion appear radiant and glowy. Just over prominent areas of the face, including the cheekbones, bridge of nose, brow bone and cupid's bow. For a glowy and beachy look, we love using this as an eyeshadow. And that's definitely something that I do. I use a lot of highlighters on my lid colour because I love shimmery eyes, and particularly this sort of champagne-y colour. I've got a couple of palettes by Morphe, but I haven't ever had one of their highlighters. It's such a, I can't believe this is a mini. This is a really good size, I think. So it is a flip top, and that is it there. Let's do a little swatch. It is golden and it's really, really smooth. Look at that. I just want to do a proper swatch for you. So, oh heck. Tell you what, I'm going to do it with the other hand because I just can't angle this hand properly. So I've got it here and I'm just going to, ooh, look, there we go. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. So I am really happy to get that. To be honest, I will probably use that more as an eye colour, I think. However, It'd be interesting to see what it's like, even just as a little pop of colour in the centre of my lids. What a brilliant box. I'm honestly blown away. I keep saying it, but I love getting these. It's just like a little birthday present every month to yourself. So let me go back over what we've got. I've put everything in the lid. I'm trying to be a bit more organised. And I've moved to this room because the lighting's a bit better, because I'd noticed on a few of my recent videos when it was a duller day, it was jumping a bit, was the light on my videos, so it just wasn't great for you all watching. It was quite distracting. So here is all the products. We've got the ordinary serum, the Tamora V Chair foaming cleanser, the mud mask from Madara. We've got the beautiful hand cream from Rituals, the gorgeous minty lip balm, and then this beautiful highlighter from Morphe. So thank you, look fantastic, another amazing box. And to be honest, I think this is one of the best boxes we've had for ages. I'm going to use everything in it, and I just can't believe for £15, and that's including delivery, this is what you get. I'm off to take up a year subscription. I have got a referral code, just remembered. It is Marcia-R1. I'll pop it along the screen here. So that'll get you some money off your first box. I'll also pop a link down below, and I'll pop a few little videos at the end for you to watch if that's something that you're interested in. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. It means an awful lot to me if I get your support, and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and I'll always get back to you. And don't forget the bell notification. I think that's everything. Oh, blimey. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all later. Take care for now. Bye.